Hi, good morning. This is your Chef Prakash. Hope you all doing good. And today we are going to discuss about a healthy drink. This drink will help you to improve your immune system, and it is good for your eyes, and it is very useful for those who have a high blood pressure. This is you have to taken at the early morning in the empty stomach. That is very important. And after you take this drink, you cannot take other food for another 1 or 2 hours. That is also keep it in mind. Now I will explain what are the ingredients we are going to use for this drink. Take 1 orange, 1 lemon, a small piece of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. These 4 items you have to mix together. Cut the orange, take the juice, and cut the lemon, take the juice, put it in the mixer and add the ginger, mix it well. Finally add the turmeric powder and a glass of water. Make it filter and drink at every day early morning at the empty stomach. If you cannot able to drink at early morning, then don't drink this one in afternoon or evening time, because there is no use. It will work only if you are in empty stomach only. It is really a good medicine for blood pressure. If you try this one, you will go and check your BP. Within 1 week it should be come to normal. You no need to take the English medicine, whatever it is. So please try this recipe. This is good for everyone. Even if you don't have blood pressure also, you can drink this one. This is good for eyesight. I recommend this one. This drink is very healthy and it will improve your immune system also. So please try this and tell me your feedback in the comment box. I will reply. Please support our channel more and more. Give me likes, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. And I'm really very happy. I'm getting a lot of views in YouTube, and thank you everyone, those who subscribe me. Kindly watch this video and be safe and be healthy. Thank you so much. Have a good day.